Right, I'm going out. So me and Miley, we've driven to Lindisfarne, which is otherwise known as Holy Island in Northumberland. And we parked up and we're going to have a little stroll along towards Lindisfarne Castle and have a look and see what's going on. See you in a bit. Right, okay, so you can see just in the background there, that's Lindisfarne Castle, and that's where we're going to head to. And we'll see you there in a bit. There's a little monkey face. So we're off. Try a bit. Right, so we can see that's Lindisfarne Castle there. Then we've got all the water's out at the moment. We need to make sure we get back. Hopefully you can hear this. Get back before the tide comes in. Right in the distance, just there. That's Bamborough Castle. Incidentally, that's where they've just been filming Indiana Jones a few months ago. So we've made it to the castle. The castle's just behind us. I thought it was English Heritage, but it's not. It's National Trust. So we're not going to go inside it. We're going to walk back because there's some other English Heritage sites. So we're going to go back in towards Lindisfarne village and see what we can go and have a look at in there. So yeah, we're going. It's half the fun though, isn't it? Half the fun. Right, we've got up to the Abbey now. That's an old ruin. This is actually the birthplace of Christianity for the UK. It looks like they're doing some sort of dig or excavation. That's quite interesting. So we're going to get over towards that area and see what's going on. Ooh. Miley, you alright? What do you think, Sue, so far? Good. Whew. Beautiful scenery. Over there is Farne Islands and Crockett Island, etc, etc. I need to get over there one day and see the puffins. That's one of my bucket list. Over there you can see, I think that's the Northern Pennines, right in the distance, right up there. So, right, let's crack on to there. Right, so there's a lot of digs going on here. There's one on this side. There's some over there. Someone videoing it. That's the old abbey where St Cuthbert started his religious life. Yeah, look. It's not something you see every single day of your life. Right, we're inside the priory. This is the ruins of the priory. This is about, I think it's about 800 or 900 years old. Before this, there was a building that was wooden, a wooden priory, and where they were excavating, they believe that that might have been part of the priory. That's why they're starting to excavate there. And that dates back to 837 or something. So this place is pretty old. Right, well, we've exhausted Lindisfarne Island, or Holy Island, and we're going to head back home now. Haven't been able to get the tent box out because you're not actually allowed to camp at all. Not even a motorhome or anything at all on this island. I was hoping that maybe I might be able to get it out and have a little chill out and everything. So, yeah, we're going to head home, aren't we, Miley? Hello, where you gone? We're going to head home, back to Newcastle, and that's where I'm ending the video. Right, see ya. Ta-ra a bit.